In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can easily convert PNG or JPG file or image to PDF file using Google Docs. So let's get started. So go ahead in the Windows search bar. By the way, this is the photo that we need to convert. So this is a PNG file. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match. So once you open your Google Chrome, make sure that you have signed in into your Chrome browser. You'll find in here that I am signed in. So if you want to sign in, then just simply sign in. Click on the sign in button right here to sign in your Google Chrome account. Then here, once you have signed in, you'll find this option, Google Apps. Click on that. If you're not signed in, you cannot find this option. So make sure to sign in first. And then you have to scroll down and you'll find Docs. Click on that to open the Google Docs. Now, once you have opened Google Docs, click on the blank document. Now, once you have opened a blank document, then we have to insert the photo. So, click on the Insert tab on the ribbon, and here you'll find Image. Okay, then you have to click on Upload from Computer. And here I have saved this on my desktop, so I'm just going to click on it and click on Open. Okay, I need to also resize this, so I can simply adjust this one by this circles on each side. Okay, you also have here the option to wrap the text. It could be in front, behind, break, or wrap text. Okay, now let's go with this one, behind text, so that we can freely move this one. Okay, like that. So once you're done resizing your photo, what we need to do is we have to click on this File tab on the ribbon, and here we can find the option Download, and you'll find a lot of options from here. You can download it in the as a Microsoft Word document, and what we have to do is we need to choose PDF. Since we are going to convert this to PDF, choose the PDF document. And we have this one right here. Click on the folder icon, and then we just need to simply copy this to, or we can send this to the desktop. Close everything. And here it is, the PDF file. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can easily convert a JPG or PNG file to PDF document. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.